Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some problems on addition law. Like addition law of probability, addition law of counting also holds. N of A union B means number of possible events in A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Remember these, A union B means at least one of A and B occurs. And A intersection B means both A and B occurs. You can see this by this diagram. If this is set A, this is set B, this is A intersection B, means both A and B are occurring, and this is your A union B, that is at least one of A and B is occurring. Let us solve some examples. Example 1. In a survey of 200 students, 120 like cricket, 90 like football and 50 like both cricket and football. How many students like at least one of the two sports? If I denote cricket liking students by A, so A have 120 and students who like football by B, B have 90 students. Then both A and B means A intersection B is 50. So what do we want to find? How many students like at least one of the two sports? Means N of A union B. So according to the formula, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So 120 plus 90 minus 50. Next example is, among 150 employees, 85 speak English, 70 speak Hindi and 30 speak both English and Hindi. Let's denote X by people who speak English. So N of X is 85. Then let's denote Y by people who speak Hindi. So N of Y is 70. And 30 speak both English and Hindi, means X intersection Y, N of X intersection Y is 30. So what is the question? How many employees speak at least one of the two languages? Do we need to find N of X union Y? According to formula, N of X union Y is N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. So 85 plus 70 minus 30. So next example is, among 250 adults, 160 drink tea and 120 drink coffee. So let's denote people who drink tea by P and people who drink coffee by Q. So N of P is given as 160 and N of Q is given as 120. The next sentence is, a total of 220 adults drink at least one of these beverages. At least one of these means P union Q is given as 220. The question is, how many adults drink both tea and coffee? Both tea and coffee means P intersection Q. Now according to the formula, N of A intersection B, if we shift it to the left, N of A union B will shift to the right, and you will get N of P plus N of Q minus N of P union Q. So the values given are 160 plus 120 minus 220. Now I'll give you one example. Please try to solve it by yourself and write the answer in the comment section.